So we're here at this stage. I put off the speaker rings for a little bit. We are going to focus on the actual surround. So I have all my pieces cut out, 2 of each, so we'll be identical on each side. And we're going to start framing this outside in, and then that will give me a better idea anyway of where I want to place the speaker rings. So we're gonna get going on this. I suck at angles, so we're gonna see how much I screw this up. How's it going, guys? So right now I did a little bit of work today, as you saw in the time lapse there. So we have our basic framing set up, and we are looking pretty decent here. Now, no, I'm not, like I said before, I'm no good at angles. So you may see that there are some gaps here. It's not a big deal. It's not going to hurt anything because it's all going to be fiberglassed in anyway. I just need a rough shape to hold me in place. Okay, so everything seems to be looking pretty good. I'll have another piece to put back in there. I basically wanted to get my outside framing done. so that I can actually start to place the rings for the speakers. Alright, and we still have room to get up in there to the 2 bolt holes with the socket to bolt it down on top. Everything's looking pretty good here. This is the basic shape I'm going for, so this is what we're going to base it off of when we start pulling the fleece and stretching it. And then we'll get it all fleeced up once I get the speaker rings built, which, speaking of which, I'm gonna give it another shot, man. There's not a whole hell of a lot I can say except for either I'm an idiot or I just did it wrong. I think I just got in a hurry trying to get this stuff done because I had other things going on. So we're gonna give it another shot. So I have 2 of these really nice perfect rings that I'm gonna keep around, these 2 here, so that when I get my other set of speakers, hopefully they'll fit in those. If not, I'll be making 2 more. I've also got to make rings for the 8s when I get those out, but those are for the rear section, so that's gonna come later. So, well, like I said, these ones that I cut last time, they fit beautifully around the interior here, so plenty of room, looks great. All right, a lot of meat there to screw to, but outside diameter is just the outside diameter is just a little small. There's not going to be hardly anything to apply the fiberglass to, well, the mat, because if I were to run this out to where it would fit this speaker, there'd be like 1/8 of an inch left, and you need to have at least 1/4 inch around the outside, I think. That way you have a plateau for your fiberglass to sit on around the outside. So that's where we're at. I'm gonna get this done and I'm gonna cut some more rings, but other than that, it's looking pretty good. I do want to say one thing though. If you're wondering what's gonna happen with the rear section, I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come in here with my template, and I think I'm just gonna continue this console in the back and then just cut it off somewhere in this area here, rather than have that whole piece coming back. Just starting to plan that, so we'll have to wait and see how that goes. I'm gonna get this front section finished up with the rings. I still gotta order my other speakers, and I really need to have those here, or at least find the exact measurements online so that I can cut the rings out. But like I said, hopefully these 2 rings that I have already will fit. They don't fit these, but these are actually a little bit bigger than your average size, and I can't take this outer ring off to, you know, make it fit down in here. And I probably could come in and cut around the outside of this and make it fit inside here, because it's not that far off. I mean, we're talking 1/8 of an inch. So, but either way, I'll keep you guys posted. Like, comment, subscribe, anybody. I don't know who's out there, if anybody's watching these, but let me know how I'm doing. Obviously, I know I'm an idiot, but we're working it out. Like I said, I'm trying to get it figured out myself. So, talk to you later. Thanks.